Hello, my name is Steve Felder, and my topic presentation is on Ahmed, Get Your Gun, Why So Many Pakistanis Own Firearms or Guns. The most prevalent gun in the world and in Pakistan is the AK-47. AK-47 means Avtomat Kalashnikov 1947. Avtomat means automatic. Mikhail Kalashnikov is the inventor of the AK-47, and that was done in 1947. This gun is now manufactured all over the world. Some of the biggest manufacturers are China and Yugoslavia, as well as Egypt. It also is a very well manufactured gun in Pakistan. It is easily maintained, its parts are readily available, it's extremely durable, it is heavy, but this gun can be dropped in water, mud, or sand, picked up and shot without any issues or problems. This is Mikhail Kalashnikov. He is the developer of this AK-47. He's holding one of his weapons right here. I find it ironic that the AK-47 was developed in 1947, which is the same year as the partition between India and Pakistan. The AK-47 fires a NATO round 7.62 by 39 millimeter round. It is the most produced ammunition in the world. It's very easy to find, usually found by the crate load in ammunition armories across the world. Gun ownership in Pakistan. There's an estimated 20 million guns in Pakistan. That includes both legal and illegal guns. Only 7 million are registered, which is, by the way, the law in Pakistan. Private gun ownership is 11.6 to 100 people. Pakistan ranks 6th in the world in gun ownership. That's legal gun ownership. That's an estimated 20 million. This number could be extremely higher due to the fact that we don't know how many people actually own guns because they are not registered. The homicide rate is 7.3 per 100,000 people in Pakistan. The US rate is 5 per 100,000, just to give you an idea of the difference. Gun licenses are required, but no background check, written test, or mental competency test is required to own a gun in Pakistan. Open carry is prohibited. Shotguns and handguns are permitted with license. There is a town in Pakistan called Dera Adam Kale. It's known as the black market for guns, as well as known as the Disneyland of guns. This is where gunsmiths, by trade, make knockoff AK-47s and MP5 weapons. The MP5 is an American weapon, but these gunsmiths are so good they can make them, they fire without any issues or problems, and they look almost identical to the Americans. The MP5 can be had for 7,000 rupees, or 67 American dollars. The AK-47 can be bought for $125, compared to the AK-47 in the United States, anywhere from $600 to $1,200. In Pakistan, guns are cheaper than smartphones. That just gives you an idea of how prevalent guns are. Gun laws and regulations in Pakistan. Guns are regulated by the Prime Minister and the Minister of Defense Production, as well as the police. Gun ownership is not guaranteed by law. Fully automatic and semi-automatic rifles are prohibited, which is ironic because the AK-47, which is the most owned gun, is a semi-automatic but can easily be made into a fully automatic rifle. Handguns and shotguns are permitted by regulation. Citizens can possess any number of firearms and ammunition. With all of those guns, regulations, and laws, none of these laws are regulated or enforced in Pakistan. The uses of guns in Pakistan include, but are not limited to, security and protection, status symbol, as guns are like jewelry. Females have the jewelry, men carry guns. For celebration, they fire the guns in the air, which we know is very dangerous, but they do this instead of fireworks. For hunting, for terrorism and terrorism organizations, and law enforcement. I find it ironic that terrorism organizations and law enforcement are right next to each other. But this is how the Pakistanis regulate and enforce laws and make sure that laws are followed by using firearms. Thank you for listening to my topic presentation. I hope you learned a little something about Pakistan, the guns, and the uses, the laws of guns in Pakistan. Thank you.